Assalamu alaikum and good morning. This is the last video of this lesson. Let's begin to read from the place where we stopped last time. Certainly, Your Excellency, Sadao said. He suddenly comprehended that the general was in the palm of his hand and that as a consequence he himself was perfectly safe. I can swear to your loyalty, Excellency, he said to the old general, and to your zeal against the enemy. Here the general was palm. This the general was in the palm of his hand. It means he had control of the general. Consequences. Here is the meaning of consequence. Means the result. Zeal, great energy or enthusiasm in pursuit of a cause or an objective. Let me explain you in simple word. Sadao said that he understood the general's position well. He understood that the general was in his control and as a result Sadao was safe. Sadao said that he could swear upon the general's loyalty towards Japan and his enthusiasm to fight the enemy. You are a good man, the general murmured and closed his eyes. You will be rewarded. But Sadao, searching the spot of black in the twilighted sea that night, had his reward. There was no prick of light in the dusk. No one was on the island. His prisoner was gone, safe, doubtless, for he had warned him to wait only for the Korean fishing boat. Twilighted. Here, twilighted means at the time of twilight means sunset or sunrise. Prick means slightest amount. Here the meaning slightest amount. Dusk means आपको पता है शाम. Dusk and dawn. Dusk. Okay, now let me explain you in simple words. The general was relaxed and said that Sadao was a good man. He closed his eyes and said that Sadao would be rewarded for his goodness. Sadao got his reward when at dusk he looked towards the island and saw no trace of torch light. This meant that the American man had found a Korean fishing boat and had gone with it safely back home. Sadao didn't doubt this as he had instructed the man to wait for a Korean fishing boat. He stood for a moment on the veranda, gazing out to the sea from where whence का मतलब होगा where, from where the young man had come that other night. And into his mind, although without reason, there came other white face he had known, the professor at whose house he had met Hannah, a dull man, and his wife had been silly talkative man. In spite of her wish to be kind, he remembered his old teacher of anatomy, who had been so insistent on mercy with the knife. And then he remembered the face of his fate and slatternly landlady. He had had great difficulty in finding a place to live in America because he was Japanese. The Americans were full of prejudice and it had been bitter to live in it, knowing himself their superior. How he had despised the ignorant and dirty old man who had at last consented to house him in her miserable home. He had once tried to be grateful to her because she had in his last year nursed him through influenza. But it was difficult, for she was no less repulsive to him in her kindness. Now he remembered the youthful, haggard face of his prisoner, white and repulsive. Strange, he thought, I wonder why I could not kill him. Now let me explain you this paragraph. This is what I have read it. Here the word anatomy. Anatomy means the branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animals and other living organisms, especially as revealed by dissection and the separation of parts. Slatternly, here the word slatternly Slatternly. Slatternly means very dirty, untidy, right? Despise. Despise means hated, nafrat karna. Here the word has come over here, influenza. Influenza, which means a highly contagious viral infection of the respiratory passage causing fever. Influenza. Repulsive, here awful, terrible. Terrible, right? Let me explain you. Haggard, one more meaning is there. Haggard over here, very fatigued, very tired, looking exhausted and unwell. This is the last paragraph and last explanation. Let me explain you in nutshell. Sadao stood over here. Sadao stood in the veranda and recollected the past events. He looked at the sea from where the man had come that night. He had flashback of all the Americans he had met in his life, the dull professor at whose house he had met Hannah. His silly, talkative wife was very kind. He remembered his teacher of anatomy who had taught them to cut open the body with a knife. Then he remembered the fat, untidy landlady. Being Japanese, he had found an accommodation in America with great difficulty. He hated living there knowing that the Japanese were superior to the American and still being treated like inferiors. Sadao disliked the dirty old woman who finally agreed to let him live in her home, which was in bad condition. Sadao tried to be thankful to her because she had taken care of him when he was struck by influenza during the last year of his stay in America. It was difficult for Sadao to be thankful to her as he hated her even though she was kind to him. Sadao hated her so much that her kindness also did not make him like her. Finally, Sadao remembered the weak face of the American prisoner. Finally, Sadao remembered the weak face of American prisoner. It was white in color and was terrible. Sadao felt that it was strange that he could not kill his enemy. This is the end of the lesson. Let me share with you the summary of this lesson in nutshell. Please. The Enemy is a story set in Japan during the Second World War. In the story, an injured American army man washed up on the beach near the home of a Japanese surgeon, Dr. Sadao Hoki. Although he has lived in America and follow modern profession, Dr. Sadao family lives in traditional Japanese life. Dr. Sadao is in dilemma to leave the American man to die or to throw him back into the sea, or to hand him over to the army or to save his life. He reluctantly takes him home and decides to save his life. The presence of an enemy disrupts his family life. His wife is against the idea of operating upon and taking care of the soldier. The servant of the house oppose the idea and leave their master. Yet Dr. Sadao shelters him, operates upon him, and saves his life. Out of the fear of being accused of sheltering an enemy, he narrates the incident to a general in the Japanese military. The general helps Dr. Sadao and offers to get the man killed by a high killer. However, the killing doesn't take place, and after waiting for 3 nights, Dr. Sadao thinks of getting rid of the American himself. He arranged a boat for the man to help him reach the nearby island. He provided him necessities like food and clothing to survive till he finds a Korean fishing boat which could rescue him. Dr. Sadao wondered that why did he save the life of an enemy. We can discuss the question answer over here. There are moments in life, the first question, when we have to make hard choice between our roles as private individuals and as citizens with a sense of national loyalty. Discuss with the reference to the story you have just read. Sure, why not? Dr. Sadao is a trap in dilemma. on one hand being a doctor having moral and ethical responsibility to save the wounded soldier, and on the other hand being a patriot to let the enemy die or hand him over to the army. He fulfilled his ethical responsibility, save the man, risk his own life and his family, reputation, and then later, as a patriot, planned to get him killed with the help of the army general. Later on again, he helps him escape, which reflects his true personality. Next question. Dr. Sadao was compelled by his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hannah, his wife, sympathetic to him in the face of an open defiance from the domestic staff? Hannah firmly follows her husband's sense of duty, although she knows that her husband's decision is being questioned by everyone. She is humanitarian and compassionate and goes beyond her duty to perform the task which she is not supposed to. In her care that helps the man recover quickly, she respects her husband and has a sense of duty towards him. Question third. How would you explain the reluctance of the soldier to leave the shelter of the doctor's home even when he knew he could not stay there without risk to the doctor and himself? Question. How would you explain the reluctance of the soldier to leave the shelter of the doctor's home even when he knew he could not stay there without risk to the doctors and himself? Sadao and Hannah, the answer of this question can be like this. Sadao and Hannah had treated the American man with lots of kindness and warmth. The man had suffered severely at the hands of the Japanese army as he had been made a prisoner of war. This warm attitude of Sadao and Hannah gave him so much relief that he didn't want to leave the house. The man felt at home, safe and warm. So even though they were at risk at the hands of an army and the people of Japan, the man was reluctant to leave them. Question 4. What explain the attitude of the general in the matter of the enemy soldier? Was it human consideration, lack of national loyalty, dereliction of duty, or simply self-absorption? Answer can be like this. All his life the general had performed his duties with utmost sincerity. He realized that killing innocent men had become a burden on his soul. He understood Sadao's mindset, which indicated that he wanted to save life irrespective of the fact that he was from an enemy country. The general also considered him to be a human being and so excused Sadao to save his life. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for listening. I would request all, this is one of the most interesting and very beautiful lesson. I would request all my dear science student, commerce student, please go through all these videos. I think there are about 15 videos made out of this lesson. If you will go through each and every video, it will sure help you, right? If you have any question, feel free to ask me on my WhatsApp number 7383759748. You can discuss with me, you can ask me the questions, right? You can ask me personal questions with regards to this lesson. I will sure answer your questions, and I will request those who are careless and ignorant and negligent towards their duty of watching videos and reading the books, they will be there in the state of loss at last. This time also in commerce, more than 13 students failed. 9 students have got compartment, and rest of the students will have to repeat the entire year. So please take it seriously. Respect the time. Time will sure respect you, all my dear students. You have now time. Take a maximum advantage of this self-quarantine, right? Go through all videos. Keep yourself in self-quarantine also. This is good for you also. Okay. Allah Hafiz.